In the 16th century, hidden among tall mountains, there lay a quiet kingdom ruled by a young king named Aaron. He was brave, yet unsure of himself.
What is my duty as
Then
a
one
king?
year, a terrible drought swept the land. Crops withered,
The rain.
and the people grew afraid.
It's not
Aaron
coming.
faced a choice: wait for help or act.
I will be king.
With courage in his heart, he led his people to dig a great canal from a distant river.
My prince, you have been working
Days
non-stop.
turned
Please
into
take a
nights,
rest.
The people
but
are
no
suffering.
one
I
gave
must
up.
finish this for
At
them.
last, water flowed into the kingdom once more. From that day on, Aaron was no longer just a ruler. He had become a true leader.
Look at this video. How impressive is that? The visuals, the voiceover, the overall quality, everything looks professionally made. You'd probably think this took hours of editing, right? But here's the truth. I created this in just a few seconds, with only a few clicks. No complex tools, no technical skills, no heavy editing. Everything from idea to final video done in one single platform. And that platform is Focal AI. You can also find the link in the description. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create videos like this step by step. First, go to Google and search for focal.ai. You'll see the official website at the top. Simply click on it. Once you open it, you'll land on the main dashboard. It's clean, simple, and easy to use. On the side panel, you can access settings, recent projects, templates, and more. Now, creating content here is very easy. Just choose your idea. You can also import media directly from your device if needed. You can start from an idea, a script, or other available options. You also get a duration setting, up to 5 minutes. For this demo, we'll keep it at 30 seconds. Next, select your image model, for example, Nano Banana Pro. You get access to all premium professional models for both image and video generation, like VO3, Sora, Nano Banana Pro, and other advanced models, all in one place. Then choose a video model like Seedance 2.0. You can also select your preferred language. I'll keep it in English. Finally, click on Send and your video will start generating. Once you click on Send, you'll be asked a few quick questions. For example, it will ask about the visual style of your video. Here, I'll simply choose Cinematic. Then select your preferred aspect ratio. And that's it. Once everything is set, your project will start generating automatically. Once everything is set, you'll see that your video is generated scene by scene. Each scene clearly shows what's going to happen in the video. After reviewing it, simply click on Yes, Start Generating. And that's it. Your final video will start processing and getting created automatically. Now we're on the main dashboard, the timeline view. Here you can access all the features while your video is being generated in the background. As you can see, the storyboard is now complete. All the images have been generated scene by scene. Now the platform is processing and generating the video. Now the video has been fully generated. As you can see, I can play it and preview the final result.
Stop. Who said that?
Go into that coffee shop. Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. Look up. Okay.
As you can see, the video quality is really impressive. From voiceover to visuals, everything has been generated perfectly. You also get a wide range of editing options like media, chats, characters, stock assets, transitions, effects, text, and captions. In the All Media section, you can generate new images directly using prompts with multiple models available. You can also create voiceovers, videos, and sound effects, all within the platform. In the chat section, simply select your video and modify anything using prompts. For example, you can change the theme, like switching to a dark evening style, and choose a model to regenerate it. Here you get access to a wide range of advanced models, including multiple video generation models. You can easily switch between options. Additionally, you have full control over settings such as video duration, which can be adjusted as needed. Once your video is generated, simply drag and drop it onto the timeline. It will be placed automatically. You can also generate sound effects directly from here and manage all your settings in one place. To add transitions, go to the Transitions section, choose any style, and drag and drop it onto your timeline. As you can see, the transition is applied instantly. Similarly, you can add stock footage, images, and music directly within the platform. You also get effects like fade in, fade out, and zoom from black. For text, you can easily add and customize it on the screen. And for captions, you can enable them in just one click. There are multiple customization options available, including fonts, formats, and caption styles, so you can adjust everything as per your needs. You can also adjust additional settings from here. Options like aspect ratio, cinematic style, and other preferences are all available in one place. Once everything is set according to your needs, you're ready to finalize your video. Once everything is complete, simply click on the Export option. Choose your file name, select the format, and set the quality to high resolution. You can export your video up to 1080p. Then click on Export and your project will start rendering. And that's it. Your video is now successfully exported and ready to use. Now let me play the final video and show you the result. As you saw, the video quality is impressive, even with just a 30-second duration. You also have plenty of editing options, along with a download feature to save your complete project. Feel free to try it out. It's simple, fast, and easy to use. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.